Hey crafty friend, it's Justine Dvorak from Stationery by Justine, where when I craft, my world stands still. Welcome to my channel. If you are here for the hop and you've never stopped on by, welcome back. If you are a returning subscriber, I am so happy to have you here today because today is a hop video for Trinity's new release. I love Trinity Stamps products. As you may or may not know, I am part of their design team. And this month's releases are so cute and so fun. So I'm going to be pulling from my stash and using a spoon and the circle die set that is great for building all of the fun circle shaped items that Trinity's products can make. But I'm going to go ahead and make a circle shaker cereal card today. I have die cut out lots of different things, mostly paper, but I did have 4 rings of foam there to help build up my shaker window. Now I am using a piece of acetate there as well. So I like to let this sit for a while. So I'm going to build this first, let it sit, and then we'll go ahead and do the decorating. I have this one little die here that I used the bowl for the cereal, which is the same bowl that comes in the alphabet soup die, and that made the outside ring. And then I'm taking this piece of acetate and just going right over that. I'm going to put it underneath something heavy and come back to it in just a couple minutes. As I wait for that to dry, I'm going to embellish my little sentiment here and put on the letters SLY to make this say you are seriously awesome. Love that. And of course I used rip and stick adhesive behind the letters there to make my letters a sticker basically. So all you do is put that little sticky rip and stick stuff behind the paper, then die cut it, and it becomes a sticker. And did the same thing with the center of the spoon. So I can just pop it right on the spoon. Now it looks like there's milk on the spoon. Isn't that so cute? Oh my, oh my. Okay, so now I'm going to have my little ring of shakers here. The back of my shaker I have looking like a little bit of splatter with white and silver. Spoiler, you really don't see that at the finished product, but I know it's there. You now know it's there, so it's important and special, right? I guess. All right, I'm going to take 4 layers of foam. I'm just using plain old white craft foam and building up the area for my shaker. Now you could use foam adhesive, but I happen to have a whole bunch of white foam that someone gave me, so I figured let's use it up. Then I'm going to stick that right onto the background, and this is going to create the bowl or the well of my shaker. So it is 4 layers of foam thick. And then on top will be my 1 layer of acetate and 1 layer of paper. There it is. All right, as we go here, I'm going to be adding a bunch of different embellishments and such to the inside of the card. So I will just have them listed all down below. But the new exciting thing that is coming out here in January is the Seriously Awesome die set. So that has the sentiment, you are seriously awesome. And it also has all the little pieces that I've die cut out there in blue and pink. You can kind of see off to the left there. And my cereal is going to be anything but healthy on my project. It's going to have all the marshmallows and all of the food coloring you can imagine, but it's just pretend, so it's fine. It's not going to mess up anyone's New Year's resolutions or anything. It's okay. And of course, I'm going to add all sorts of fun embellishments. I adore Trinity Stamps embellishments. So I have been, I don't know, like a little squirrel looking through my embellishments and going, oh, that could be a marshmallow in a cereal. Sure. Yep. Let's add that one. So we've got rainbows, leprechaun hats, teeny tiny shamrocks. Oh, and also Trinity came out with an embellishment mix that is kind of like Lucky Charms cereal. I don't know if anyone knows that or knows about that, but it's called Lucky Charms embellishments, and it has the little marshmallows that look just like the cereal. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I just dumped them right in. I just thought, yep, we're using all of them. But the three new embellishments that are new to this shop are the ones that I'm holding right now, which are red sparkle hearts. And then they also have golden sparkle stars and silver sparkle stars. And if you know me, you know I love a galaxy background, so I'm going to use those galaxy stars on future projects. I am certain of that. So for my spoon, I'm going to be a little bit picky and pull out just several little pieces that will be on the spoon as if it is going to be eaten up. So I need those out of the shaker. And of course, I pulled out one of those little sparkly red hearts because it's just so cute. Well, now that we have a ton of cereal in there, let's add some white embellishments to bring back the idea of, yes, this is cereal and not just crazy rainbows in a bowl. So I'm going to use, well, just a little bit more rainbows in a bowl, a little bit more sprinkles there. But I'm using the circles that are these little shiny circles from Trinity, and then also the little white embellishment pack. Again, I'm listing all of the embellishments with their full names in the description if they are still available in the shop. That was a ton of embellishments, and yes, this is a full shaker, which I love a good full shaker. If you know, you know. Now to add on my shaker to the card to make it complete, I'm going to use just a little bit of liquid glue right on top of the foam and go all the way around my project here. Then I'm going to take my shaker window and put it right on top. So now I have foam and acetate connecting with liquid glue. And if you know anything about acetate, you know it's a plastic and it is slippery as can be. So what I like to do at this point is put something heavy on top of it. I'm going to actually take my dies and stuff too and work on something else, or go get a coffee or some water as you let that sit. Daydream about your next project. And we'll just let that sit for just a little bit. And I will also, of course, work on this little spoon. We're going to get the perfect little spoonful of cuteness here. Oh, I love this. And I do love the size of the spoon. I think it really works well with the bowl. So adorable. All right, well, friend, you are seriously awesome for watching all the way into this video. If you have not hit the like button, I would love to invite you to hit the like button and leave me a comment if you have something to say, or if you liked something that you saw here today. Go ahead and let me know what you liked or learned. And I hope that you enjoy the rest of the hop. There will be a playlist linked down below with all of the other people's videos that are part of the hop. There'll be a playlist, and I will have links for all of the new items from Trinity. They have so many cute new things. There's chicken nuggets, there's a coupon book, there's a fan, a battery, a flashlight, so much fun things. And I hope that you get to check all of them out and maybe grab some new fun crafty goodies. I'll finish off my project here by adding on my spoon and my sentiments with some foam. I hope you've loved this card, and just remember that you are seriously awesome, my crafty friend, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.